Napa facility. As you can see, this guy is all Napa. What we have here is we got a Napa Auto Parts, Clinton's Automotive Center, 24-hour record service, transmission center, brakes, mufflers. I mean, they do it all here. They got an auto parts store right there inside. They got a brake bay, an alignment bay, a muffler bay, a tune-up bay, an air conditioner bay, a diagnostics bay, a transmission bay. They've even got a service bay over here. I don't know what that would possibly be other than service. Well, this Napa right here has got one added feature that you'll never see at any other Napas. If you happen to be at this Napa here and you want to take a little bit of time for yourself, just come right over here to the Napa Salon, and you got men, women, children are welcome, and you can get your hair done, your toenails done, your pedicure, manicure, just whatever you need, a perm, crew cut, buzz top, whatever you need, just right here, right part of the facility, the Napa Salon. I mean, I have never seen a salon at a Napa before, but here you go. This is the first. They might be onto something here, Clinton's Auto Parts. You never know. You never know. So that's just another Napa story. Figured my buddy Aaron would really like this one, since he worked at Napa for like a gazillion years. But here we go. Napa Salon. Boom. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.